Hello there. Time to do surface area and volume for a cylinder. Label the givens. Height is 7, with a radius of 3. Now we're going to stretch this out and form a net. So I need the two-dimensional shape for each individual surface. The top of this shape is a circle. The body of this shape unfolds into a rectangle. And of course we have a bottom, don't forget, which is another circle. Start finding the area of each shape. So dealing with this top circle, I know the radius is 3, and I know the equation for area of the circle. It's pi times the radius, 3 quantity squared, which can be written as 9 pi, and if I want to evaluate this, get it into decimal form. So that's the area of my top circle. I'm not actually going to use this number 28.27 yet. I'm going to stick with the 9 pi and then convert everything later. But if you want to have the idea, the area of the circle is 28.27, I guess we don't specify, so units squared. And that's going to be the same area on the bottom. Now we just need to figure out that rectangle. I know the rectangle's height is 7. But I need to know how long it is. So that length here, well, that length, as I wrap it around, has to stretch all the way around the circle, no more, no less. So it's the perimeter of the circle, and our word for that is the circumference. And I know the equation of circumference. Circumference is 2 times pi times the radius, which in this case is the 3 up there. And then I can multiply the 2 and the 3 together, so this is 6 pi in length, which is, I don't know, 18 point something or other, 19-ish. Now I want the area of the rectangle, base, 6 pi, times height, 7. 6 times 7. So I get that one's about 42 pi. If I want to, I could evaluate that too. But I'm ultimately going to produce a final number, which is why I'm using the 9 pi, and 42 pi. So if I want a understanding, yes, the area of the top and bottom are both about 28.27 units squared. The area of that side is about 131.95 units squared. And I add them all together. Top circle, rectangle, bottom circle. Get to 60 pi, and now I will convert that to a decimal. So I'm getting 188.49555, and I'm going to round to 2 decimal places, so that bumps it actually to 0.5 there. And we are talking about units squared for the surface area. Okay, next thing, volume. Volume, well, volume is always base times height. My base in this case is that circle, and I know that circle's area, it's 9 pi. I need to multiply that by the height of the shape, which is that 7. 9 times 7, 63, so 63 pi, and then convert that to a decimal. 197.92-ish units cubed. Thanks for watching. Character and Scholarship for Life.